Summertime is officially here, and we have a ton of energy to burn. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make an outside obstacle course with all items from the dollar store. We gotta get started now. For the first part of our obstacle course, you're going to need a few solar garden lights, a couple of pool noodles, and duct tape. This way, we'll be able to make a tunnel for your little one to army crawl through. Let's get started. Now with this solar light, it comes in with a spike, and we're going to simply push it into the ground, remove the light, take a little duct tape to cover up the hole, just in case any of those pool noodles come off. Safety first. And they are good to go. For this next one, we're going to be using a dowel and 2 laundry baskets. If you thought the last activity was easy to put together, this one has it beat. Pool noodle, meat, plunger. This next one takes pool noodles and duct tape. You're not seeing double. We're going to make another one of these and turn it into target practice. All done. Now it's time to let Garrison put this to the test. Make sure to give us a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.